Air conditioning is one of those modern marvels that we often take for granted, but it plays a crucial role in our daily comfort. Imagine a hot summer day, the sun blazing down, and the air feels thick and heavy. That's where air conditioning comes in, transforming our living spaces into cool, refreshing havens. At its core, air conditioning works by removing heat and moisture from the air inside a building. The process begins with a refrigerant, a special fluid that absorbs heat. This refrigerant circulates through a closed-loop system, passing through various components like the compressor, condenser, and evaporator. Let's break that down a bit. The compressor is like the heart of the system. It pumps the refrigerant, compressing it and raising its temperature. Then, this hot refrigerant moves to the condenser, usually located outside. Here, it releases the heat into the outside air, cooling down in the process. As it cools, it turns back into a liquid. Next, it flows into the evaporator, which is typically found inside your home. This is where the magic happens. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the indoor air, causing it to evaporate and turn back into a gas. As it absorbs heat, the air that blows over the evaporator coils becomes cooler and is circulated back into your living space. But air conditioning isn't just about cooling, it also dehumidifies the air. High humidity can make hot weather feel even more uncomfortable. When the air passes over the cold evaporator coils, moisture condenses and drips away, leaving you with a drier, more comfortable environment. Now, let's talk about the different types of air conditioning systems. There are central air systems that cool an entire house, window units that are perfect for smaller spaces, and portable air conditioners that can be moved from room to room. Each has its own benefits, depending on your needs and the layout of your home. And let's not forget about energy efficiency. Modern air conditioning units are designed to use less energy while providing maximum cooling. Look for units with a high SEER rating, which stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. The higher the rating, the more efficient the unit is. This not only saves you money on your energy bills, but also reduces your carbon footprint. Air conditioning has come a long way since its invention in the early 20th century. It started as a luxury for the wealthy, but now it's a staple in homes and businesses across the globe. It's fascinating to think about how this technology has evolved, with smart thermostats and energy-efficient designs making it easier than ever to control our indoor climates. So, the next time you step into a cool room on a sweltering day, take a moment to appreciate the science and technology behind air conditioning. It's not just about comfort, it's about creating a livable environment, no matter what the weather is like outside.